Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best gaming motherboards available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're building a new gaming rig or upgrading your current setup, this roundup will help you make the right choice. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the countdown. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the ASUS TUF Gaming B650-Plus Wi-Fi. This motherboard is designed for next-gen Ryzen 7000 processors and comes with a robust 12+2 power stage configuration to ensure stable power delivery. With support for DDR5 memory and PCIe 5.0 M.2 slots, this board is ready for high-performance gaming and demanding workloads. Its Wi-Fi 6 and 2.5G Ethernet ensure smooth online gaming and fast data transfer. The build quality is exactly what you'd expect from ASUS's TUF series, durable and reliable. It features enlarged heatsinks for VRM and PCH, as well as M.2 slots with heatsinks to keep your system cool during intense gaming sessions. The Aura Sync RGB lighting adds a touch of style, while the two-way AI noise cancellation ensures crystal clear communication in multiplayer games. While the B650-Plus Wi-Fi is competitively priced, its main limitation is the lack of USB 4 ports, which might be a downside for those seeking the fastest connectivity options. However, for gamers looking for a stable, well-built motherboard at an affordable price, this is a solid pick. It's ideal for mid-range gaming PCs that want to take advantage of the AM5 platform without overspending. At number 4, we have the ASUS TUF Gaming Z790-Plus Wi-Fi. This motherboard is perfect for Intel enthusiasts, supporting 12th, 13th, and even 14th Gen Intel Core processors. It boasts PCIe 5.0 support, DDR5 memory compatibility, and 4 M.2 slots for blazing fast storage. The inclusion of Thunderbolt 4, USB 4, and Wi-Fi 6 ensures top-tier connectivity options, making it future-proof and versatile. The design is unmistakably tough, with military-grade components and a clean, minimalist aesthetic. The VRM and M.2 heatsinks, along with hybrid fan headers, provide excellent cooling performance, even under heady workloads. Features like SafeDIMM and the pre-mounted I/O shield make the installation process beginner-friendly, which is always a plus for DIY builders. While the Z790-Plus Wi-Fi offers great performance and connectivity, its price tag of $219.99 might not appeal to budget-conscious buyers. Additionally, this board is best suited for users who already own or plan to build around Intel's latest CPUs. If you're looking for a reliable and Intel-optimized motherboard with a focus on durability and connectivity, this one's a winner. In the third spot is our budget champion, the MSI MAG B550 TOMAHAWK gaming motherboard. At just $129.99, this board offers incredible value for gamers on a budget. It supports 3rd-gen AMD Ryzen processors and is ready for future Ryzen CPUs with a BIOS update. With dual-channel DDR4 memory support up to 128 GB and PCIe 4.0 compatibility, this motherboard delivers performance that punches well above its price tag. The Tomahawk features a sleek design with an aluminum cover, RGB lighting, and a premium thermal solution to keep things cool. Its dual LAN setup, 2.5G LAN plus gigabit LAN, ensures reliable networking, and the Lightning Gen 4 M.2 slots are perfect for fast storage. The onboard audio boost technology is a nice touch for an immersive audio experience. However, this motherboard lacks Wi-Fi, which might be a deal-breaker for some. It's best suited for gamers who prefer a wired network connection and want to maximize performance on a budget. If you're building a cost-effective AMD gaming PC, the MSI MAG B550 Tomahawk is an unbeatable choice. Taking the runner-up spot is the Asus ROG Strix B550-F Gaming Wi-Fi 2. Designed for AMD Ryzen 3000 and 5000 series processors, this motherboard is packed with high-end features at a mid-range price. It offers PCIe 4.0, dual M.2 slots, and USB 3.2 Gen 2 connectivity, making it ideal for gamers and content creators alike. The onboard Wi-Fi 6 and 2.5 GB Ethernet ensure fast and stable networking. The ROG Strix B550-F stands out with its premium build quality and gamer-centric design. The 12+2 power stage configuration, high-quality alloy chokes, and durable capacitors ensure reliable power delivery. Add to that the striking Aura Sync RGB lighting, and you have a motherboard that not only performs well, but also looks great in any setup. While this board is slightly more expensive than the MSI Tomahawk, it justifies the price with better connectivity and onboard Wi-Fi. It's an excellent choice for gamers who want a balance of performance, features, and aesthetics without going over $200. Finally, taking the top spot is the ASUS TUF Gaming X870-Plus Wi-Fi. As the premium option on our list, this motherboard is designed for the most demanding gamers and professionals. It supports AMD Ryzen 7000, 8000, and 9000 processors and is loaded with future-proof features like DDR5 memory support, PCIe 5.0 compatibility, and 4 M.2 slots. What sets the X870-Plus apart is its advanced power delivery, featuring 16+2+1 80A power stages for unparalleled stability and overclocking potential. It also includes Wi-Fi 7, 2.5 GB LAN, USB 4, and AI-enhanced software for seamless gaming and productivity. The build quality is exceptional, with an 8-layer PCB, Pro-Cool connectors, and stylish RGB lighting that syncs with other ASUS components. At $264.99, this is the most expensive motherboard on the list, but it justifies the price with its cutting-edge technology and premium design. It's best suited for gamers who demand the latest and greatest, as well as professionals who need top-tier performance in their systems. If you want the ultimate AM5 motherboard, the ASUS TUF Gaming X870-Plus Wi-Fi is the one to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the best gaming motherboard for your setup. If you liked the video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions about these products, feel free to drop a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Happy building, and I'll see you in the next video.